Good morning to all, respected principal ma'am, all the respected teachers and my dear brothers and sisters. First of all, I would like to thank to our English sir from the very bottom of my heart for giving me this precious opportunity so that I can express my experience during throughout the captainship. So throughout the session, as the CCA captain of this Vidyalaya, I have had the privilege to host the programs and to organizing events and also got the opportunity to work closely with many of you. And one thing that I have witnessed is that our works and our efforts bring the students together and the kind of memories that we have made, the lasting memories that we have made was truly, incredibly fulfilling and cherishing forever. Throughout the journey, of course, there were challenges along the way, but each and every one of you taught me valuable lessons and the real spirit of teamwork. And I want to take this moment to express my gratitude to the entire Vidyalaya, to the entire school authority, to our principal ma'am, to all the teachers, especially our Hindi sir and Nirmal sir, whose guidance has been essential, the kind of support, the kind of advice that they made a huge difference. But I'm truly very grateful that for everything they have done for us. I also would like to take this moment for my fellow friends. I know that a simple thanks is not enough for them, because throughout the session, the kind of support, the kind of teamwork, the kind of trust they showed on us, they had given to us, was commendable. And I don't think that nothing was possible without their support, without anything. What you have witnessed throughout the session, what you have experienced, what we have done was become possible just because of them, our classmates. So give a huge round of applause for our classmates first, because they were everything for us. Now, as we approach to welcome the new captains, I am quite confident that they will surely lead us to greater heights and even take our Vidyalaya to even greater success. At last, I would like to wish them all the very best for their journey, for their captaincy. And with this, I am concluding and ending. Thank you.